Hey friends, Miss Andrew here. This is your number skills page 13 and 14. All right, so we are going to be working on the number 3. All right, so if you look right here, it has the upstairs and the downstairs. 3 is going to be in the upstairs and the downstairs. All right, so around and around just like a bee. That's the way you make a 3. Around and around just like a bee. That's the way you make a 3. It's almost like a butterfly wing. A butterfly wing. All right. So number 2 says, fill in the number your teacher says. All right. So fill in the number 3. The number 3. Look at this baseball bat right here. Which one is the number 3? Fill it in. This one, very good. All right, next, fill in the number 8. 8. Good. All right, let's go down to this bat. Fill in the number 5. 5. Very good. All right, fill in the number 4. 4. Very good. On this one down here, the purple bat, fill in the number 7. 7. Good. On the last bat, fill in the number 2. 2. Very good. Let's flip over on the back. All right, so the back of your sheet, number 1 says circle the number of objects in each group. So we're just going to count them together. Let's count the wagons. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's look down here and find the number 4. Good, right here. All right, let's count the footballs. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's look down here and find the number 7. Right here. All right, let's count the yo-yos. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's look down here and let's circle the number 5. Good. Let's look at the dolls. Ready? 1, 2. So find the number 2 and circle it. Good. Right here. Count the baseballs. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which one is the number 8? Circle it. Good job. Last one. Count the kites. 1, 2, 3. All right. Which one is the number 3? Good. All right. So speaking of number 3, let's write it at the bottom. Round and around just like a bee. That's the way you make a 3. Remember, it looks like a butterfly wing. Good job. All right, sweet friends, I will see you soon.